अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतः पदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनासहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्णकरुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरि वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। नमः ओं विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण प्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनेति नामने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। नमः ओं विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण प्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामिनिति नामिने। प्रभुपादस्य साहित्ये यः प्रकाशवितीर्ये च प्रचारं कृतवान् साधु भगवत्पादाय ते नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Chapter 4 for the reading from text 137. एक शोनार लोभेर प्रकार स्वमाधुर्य देखी कृष्ण करेण विचार। एक this one Shona, please here are another लोभेर of eager desire प्रकार type स्वमाधुर्य own sweetness देखी say Krishna Lord Krishna करेण विचार does consideration, that is one desire. Now please hear of another. Seeing his own beauty, Lord Krishna began to consider. अद्भुत अनंत पूर्ण मोर मधुरिमा त्रिजगते हर के नाही पाय सीमा। अद्भुत wonderful अनंत unlimited पूर्ण full more my madhurima sweetness त्रिजगते in the three worlds ihar of this keha someone nahi not paya obtains seema limit. My sweetness in the world is wonderful, infinite and full. No one in the three worlds can find its limit. एई प्रेम द्वारे नित्य राधिका एकाली अमर माधुर्यामृत आस्वादे सकली। एई प्रेम द्वारे this by the means of love nitya always radhika Srimati Radharani ekali only amar of me madhuryamrit the nectar of sweetness aswadi taste sakali all. Only Radhika by the strength of her love tastes all the nectar of my sweetness. यद्यपि निर्मल राधार सत्प्रेम दर्पण तथापि स्वच्छता तार बड़ी क्षण क्षण। यद्यपि although Nirmala pure Radhar of Srimati Radharani Satprema of real love Darpana the mirror Tathapi still Swachhata transparency Tara of that body increases Kshane Kshana every moment. Although Radha's love is pure like a mirror, its purity increases at every moment. अमर माधुर्य नाही बाढ़ते अवकाशे इधर पाणिर आगे नव नव रूपे भाषे। अमर of me madhurya sweetness nahi not badite to increase avakashe opportunity either parnera in the front of this mirror nava newer rupe newer and newer rupe in beauty bhase shines. My sweetness also has no room for expansion, yet it shines before that mirror in newer and newer beauty. मन्माधुर्य राधार प्रेम दोहे हाड़करी होड़कोरी क्षणे क्षणे बड़े दोहे केह नाही हारी। मन्माधुर्य my sweetness Radhar of Srimati Radharani prem talab दोहे both together होड़करी challenging क्षणे क्षणे every second बड़े increase दोहे both केह नाही no one hari defeated. There is constant competition between my sweetness and the mirror of Radha's love. They both go on increasing, but neither knows defeat. अमर माधुर्य नित्य नव नवहाय स्व स्व प्रेम अनुरूप भक्ते आस्वादय Amar of me Madhurya, the sweetness, Nitya, always, Nava Nava, newer and newer, high, is Swaprema Anurupa, according to one's own love, Bhakti, the devotees, Aswadaya tastes. My sweetness is always newer and newer. Devotees taste it according to their own respective love. दर्पणाद्ये देखी यदि अपना माधुरी आस्वादिते हय लोभ आस्वादिते नारी दर्पणाद्ये beginning in the mirror देखी seeing यदि if अपना माधुरी sweetness own sweetness आस्वादिते to taste हय there is lobha desire आस्वादिते to taste nari I'm not able if I see my sweetness in the mirror I'm tempted to taste it but nevertheless I cannot विचार करिए यदि आस्वाद उपाय राधिका स्वरूप है ते तबे मन धाय विचार करिते consideration I do यदि if आस्वाद to taste उपाय वे राधिका स्वरूप the nature of Srimati Radharani है ते to become तबे then मन mind धाय chases if I deliberate on the way to taste it I find that I hanker for the position of Radhika. Purport. Krishna's attractiveness is wonderful and unlimited. No one can know the end of it. Srimati Radharani alone can relish such extensiveness from her position in the Ashray category. The mirror of Srimati Radharani's transcendental love is perfectly clear, yet it appears clearer and clearest in the transcendental method of understanding Krishna. In the mirror of Radharani's heart, the transcendental features of Krishna appear increasingly new and fresh. In other words, the attraction of Krishna increases in the portion of the understanding of Srimati Radharani. Each tries to supersede the other. Neither wants to be defeated in increasing the intensity of love. Desiring to understand Radharani's attitude of increasing love, Lord Krishna appeared as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. अपरिकलितपूर्वः कश्चमत्कार करी स्फुरति मम गरीयानेश माधुर्यपूरः अयम् अहम् अपि हन्त प्रेक्ष्य यं लुब्धचेताः सरभसम् उपभोक्तुं कामये राधिकेव अपरिकलित not experienced पूर्व previous यह who चमत्कार करी causing wonder स्फुरति manifest mama maya करियान more great Asia this madhurya pura abundance of sweetness I am this aham I api even hanta alas preksha seeing yam lupta cheta which my mind being bewildered swarabasam impetuously upabhoktum to enjoy kamaye desire radhika ever like Srimati Radharani who manifest an abundance of sweetness greater than mine, which has never been experienced before, and which causes wonder to all. Alas, I myself, my mind bewildered upon seeing this beauty, impetuously desired to enjoy it like Srimati Radharani. Purport. This text is from Lalita Madhav 8.34 of Srila Rupa Goswami. It was spoken by Lord Krishna when he saw the beauty of his own reflection in a jeweled fountain in Dwarka. कृष्ण माधुर्य एक स्वाभाविक बल कृष्ण आदि नर नारी करये चंचल कृष्ण of Lord Krishna madhurya of the sweetness ek one swabhavik natural bal strength Krishna Lord Krishna adi beginning with nar nari man and woman karaye makes chanchal perturbed the beauty of Krishna has one natural strength it thrills the heart of all men and women beginning with the Lord Krishna himself श्रवणे दर्शने आकर्षये सर्वमान अपना आस्वादिते कृष्ण करेण यतन श्रवणे in hearing darshane in seeing आकर्षये attracts सर्वमान all minds apana himself aswadite to taste Krishna Lord Krishna karena makes yatana efforts all minds are attracted by hearing his sweet voice and flute or by seeing his beauty even Lord Krishna himself makes efforts to taste that sweetness ए माधुर्यामृत पान सदा ये करे तृष्णा शांति नाही तृष्णा बढ़े निरंतरे ए माधुर्यामृत nectar of sweetness pan drinks sada always ye that person who करे does trishna shanti nahi satisfaction of thirst nahi there is not trishna thirst बढ़े निरंतरे increases constantly the thirst of one who always drinks the nectar of their sweetness is never satisfied, rather that thirst increases constantly. अतृप्त हैया करे विधिर निंदान अविदग्ध विधि बाल न जाने सृजाना. अतृप्त unsatisfied हैया being करे to vidhira of Lord Brahma nindana blaspheming avidagta inexperienced vidhi Lord of Lord Brahma bhala well na jane does not know srijana creating. Such a person being unsatisfied begins to blaspheme Lord Brahma, saying that he does not know the art of creating well and is simply inexperienced. कोटि नेत्रे नाही दिला सबे दिला दुई तहाँ ते निमेष कृष्ण की देखी बमुई. कोटि नेत्र nahi 10 million netra eyes nahi dila did not give sabe to all dila gave dui to tahan te in that nimesha I blink Krishna Lord Krishna ki how dekhiba shall see mui I. He has not given million of eyes to see the beauty of Krishna. He has given only two eyes, and even those blink. How then I shall see the lovely face of Krishna? अतति यत् भवान् अहनिकाननं त्रुटियुगायते त्वाम् अपश्यताम्. अटति यत् भवान् अहनिकाननं त्रुटियुगायते त्वामपश्यताम्. कुटिलकुन्तलं श्रीमुखां च ते जड उदीक्ष्यताम् Pakshmakritrisha Atati Yadvavan goes when your lordship Ahani Indari Kananam to the forest Truti Yuga Yati half a second Yuga Yati appears like a yuga Tvam Apashyatam you of those not seeing Kotela Kuntalam adorned with curled hair Sri Mukha beautiful face Cha and Te your Jada stupid Udikshatam looking at Pakshmakrit the maker of eyelashes Drisham of the eyes. The gopis said, O Krishna, when you go to the forest during the day, we do not see your sweet face, which is surrounded by beautiful curling hair. Half a second becomes as long as the entire age for us, and we consider the Creator who has put eyelids on the eyes we use for seeing you to be simply a fool. The verse is spoken by gopis in Srimad Bhagavatam 10.3 part of Gopi Geet. गोप्यश्च कृष्णम् उपलभ्य चिराद् आभिष्टम् यत् प्रेक्षणे दृश्येषु पक्ष्मकृतं क्षपन्ति दृग्भिः हृदि कृतम् अलं परिरभ्य सर्वास् तद्भावम् अपुरपि नित्ययुजां दुरापम् Gopya, the gopis, Cha, and Krishnam, Lord Krishna, Upalabhya, seeing Chirag after a long time, Abhishtam, desired object, Yat Prekshane, in the seeing of whom, Drishishu, in the eyes, Pakshma Kritam, the maker of eyelashes, Shapanti, curse, Drigivi, with the eyes, Hridi Kritam, who entered the hearts, Alam, enough, Parirabhya, embracing, Sarva, all, Tat Bhavam, that highest stage of joy, Apu, obtained, Api, although, Nitya Yujam by perfected yogis, Durapam, difficult to obtain. The gopis saw their beloved Krishna at Kurukshetra after a long separation. They secured and embraced him in their hearts through their eyes, and they attained a joy so intense that not even perfect yogis can attain it. The gopis cursed the creator for creating eyelids that interfered with their vision. This text is from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.82.39. कृष्णावलोकन बिना नेत्र फल नाही आन ये जन कृष्ण देखे से ही भाग्यवान. Krishna avalokan vena, Lord Krishna looking at vena without netra the eyes, phala fruit, nahiyana, not other, yei who, jana person, Krishna, Lord Krishna dekhe, sees, sei bhagyavana, he is very fortunate. There is no consideration for the eyes other than the sight of Krishna. Whoever sees him is the most fortunate indeed. अक्षणवतां फलमिदं न परं विदामः सख्य पशून् अनुविशेषयतोर्वयास्य वक्त्रं व्रजेशसुतयोरनुवेनुजुष्टां यैव निपीतम् अनुरक्तकटाक्षमोक्षम् अक्षवतां of those who have eyes, phalam, fruit, idam, tis, na, not, param, other, vidamah, we know, sakhya, O friends, pashuna, the cows, anu vishesha yuto, causing to enter one forest from another, vayasya, with their friends of the same age, Vaktram, the face, Braja Isha, the Maharaj of Maharaj Nanda, Sutayu, of the two sons, Anuvenu, Jushtam, possessed of flutes, yell by which Va or Nipitam imbibe, Anurakta, loving, Kataksha glances, Moksham, giving of. Translation. The gopi says, O friends, those eyes that see the beautiful faces of son of Maharaj Nanda are certainly fortunate, as these two sons enter the forest surrounded by their friends, driving the cows before them. They hold their flutes to their mouths and glance lovingly upon the residents of Vrindavan. For those who have eyes, we think there is no greater object of vision. Purport. Like the gopis, one can see Krishna continuously if one is fortunate enough. In the Brahma Samhita, it is said that the sages whose eyes have been smeared with the ointment of pure love can see the form of Shyama Sundar Krishna continuously in the centers of their heart. This text from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.21.7 was sung by the gopis on the advent of Sharad season. गोप्यतप्य किम् आचरण्यद् अमुष्यरूपं लावण्यसारमसमूर्ध्वम् अनन्यसिद्धं दृग्भिः पिबन्ति अनुस्वाभिनवन्दुरापम् एकान्तधाम यशसः श्रिय ऐश्वर्यस्य Gopya Tapah, the gopis' austerity scheme, what Acharan performed, yet from which Amushya of such one, Lord Krishna, Rupam, the form, Lavanyasaram, the essence of loveliness, Asamurdhvam, not paralleled or surpassed, Ananyasiddham, not perfected by any other ornament, self-perfect, Drigbhi, or by the eyes, Pibanti, they drink, Anushava, Abhinavam, constantly new, Durapam, difficult to obtain, Ekantadham, abode, Yashasah, of fame, Shriyah, of beauty, Aishwarasya, of opulence. The women of Mathura said, what austerities must the gopis have performed? With their eyes, they always drink the nectar of the form of Lord Krishna, which is the essence of the loveliness and is to be equalled or surpassed. That loveliness is the only abode of beauty, fame, and opulence. It is the self perfect, ever fresh, and extremely rare. This text from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.44.14 was spoken by women of Mathura when they saw Krishna and Balaram in the arena of the king Kamsa's great wrestlers Mushtika and Chanur. अपूर्व माधुर्य कृष्णेर अपूर्वतार बल यहाँ श्रवणे मन टलमल अपूर्व unprecedented madhuri sweetness krishnera of Lord Krishna apurva unprecedented tar that bala the strength yahar of which shravani in hearing mana the mind haya becomes talamala unsteady. The sweetness of Lord Krishna is unprecedented and its strength is also unprecedented. Simply by one's hearing of such beauty, the mind becomes unsteady. कृष्णेर माधुर्ये कृष्णे उपजाय लोभ सम्यक् आस्वादिते नारे मने रहि क्षोभ. Krishnera of Lord Krishna Madhurya in the sweetness, Krishna in Lord Krishna Upajaya Lobha arises eager desire, Samyak fully aswadite to taste, Nare is not able, Mane in the mind, Rahi remains, Shobha sorrow. Lord Krishna's own beauty attracts Lord Krishna himself, but because he cannot fully enjoy it, his mind remains full of sorrow. एतद्वितीय हेतुर कहिल विवरण तृतीय हेतुर एवेषु नः लक्षण. Eighth, this certainly Dvitiya, second hetur of the reason, Kahila has been said, Vivarana, description, Tritiya, hetura, the third of the reason, Ebe, now, Shunah, please hear, Lakshana, the characteristics. This is the description of the second verse. Now please listen as I describe the third. अत्यंत निगूढ़ ए रसे रसिद्धांत स्वरूप गोसाई मात्र जाने न एकांत. अत्यंत extremely निगूढ़ deep a this rasir of mellow siddhant the conclusion Swarupa Gosai the Swarup Damodar Goswami matra only jane na knows ekant much This conclusion of Rasa is extremely deep. Only Swarup Damodar knows much about it. ये बकेह अन्य जाने से होता हईते चैतन्य गोसाई तेह अत्यंत मर्म याते ये बकेह whoever someone अन्य other जाने knows से हो he taha haite from him Swarup Damodar Chaitanya Gosaira of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Seha he Atyant extremely Marma secret ko yate sense. Anyone else who claims to know it must have heard from him, for he was the most intimate companion of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. गोपीगणेर प्रेमेर रुद्ध भावनाम विशुद्ध निर्मल प्रेम कभु नाही काम. Gopighaner of the gopis, Premer of the love, Ruddha Bhav, Nam, named Vishuddha Prema, Vishuddha Nirmala, pure and spotless, Prema, love, Kabhu, at any time, Nahi is not Kama, lust. The love of gopis is called Ruddha Bhav, Ruda Bhav. It is pure and spotless. It is not at any time lust. As already explained, the position of the gopis in their loving dealings with Krishna is transcendental. Their emotion is called Ruda Bhav. Although it is apparently like mundane sex, one should not confuse it with mundane sexual love, for it is pure and unadulterated love of Godhead. प्रेमैव गोपीरामाणां काम इति उगमत् प्रथाम् इति युद्धबाधयोऽपि एतां वञ्छन्ति भगवत्प्रियाः. Prema, love, Eve only, Gopi Ramanam, of the women of Raj, Kama, lust, Iti, as, Agamat, went to, Pratham, fame, Iti, thus, Uddhava Adaya, headed by Sri Uddhava, Api, even, Etam, this, Vanchanti, desire, Bhagavat Priya, dear devotees of Supreme Personality of Godhead. Pure love of gopis has become celebrated by the name lust. The dear devotees of the Lord, headed by Sri Uddhava, desire to taste that love. This is verse from Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu 1.2.285. काम प्रेम दोहाकार विभिन्न लक्षण लोहार हेम यैचे स्वरूप विलक्षण. काम प्रेम lust and love दोहार of the two विभिन्न separate लक्षण symptoms. लोह iron, ar and hema gold यैचे just as स्वरूपे in nature विलक्षण different. Lust and love have different characteristics, just as iron and gold have different natures. Purport: one should try to discriminate between sexual love and pure love, for they belong to different categories, with gulf of difference between them. They are as different from one another as iron is from gold. आत्मेन्द्रिय प्रीति वांछा तारे बलि काम कृष्णेन्द्रिय प्रीति इच्छा धरे प्रेम नाम. Atmendriya Priti, for the pleasure of one's own senses, Vancha, desire, Tare Boli, to that Bali I say Kama, lust, Krishnendriya Priti, for the pleasure of Lord Krishna's senses, Ichha, desire, Thare, holds, Prema, love, Nama, the name. Translation: the desire to gratify one's own senses is Kama, but the desire to please the senses of Lord Krishna is Prema. The revealed scriptures describe pure love as follows: Sarvatha dhvamsarahitam sati api dhvamsakarane yadbhavabandhanam yuno saprema prakriti tatah. If there is ample reason for the dissolution of the conjugal relationship, and yet such a dissolution does not take place, such a relationship of intimate love is called pure. The predominated gopis were bound to Krishna in such pure love. For them there was no question of sexual love based on sense gratification. Their only engagement in life was to see Krishna happy in all respects, regardless of their own personal interest. They dedicated their souls only for the satisfaction of the personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna. There was not the slightest tinge of sexual love between the gopis and Krishna. The author of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita asserts with authority that sexual love is a matter of personal sense enjoyment. All the regulative principles in the Vedas pertaining to desires for popularity, fatherhood, wealth, and so on are different phases of sense gratification. Acts of sense gratification may be performed under the cover of public welfare, nationalism, religion, altruism, ethical codes, biblical codes, health directives, fruitive actions, bashfulness, tolerance, personal comfort, liberation from material bondage, progress, family affection, or fear from social ostracism or legal punishment. But all these categories are different subdivisions of one substance, sense gratification. All such good acts are performed basically for one's own sense gratification, for no one can sacrifice his personal interest while discharging these much advertised moral and religious principles. But above all this is a transcendental stage in which one feels himself to be only an eternal servitor of Krishna, the absolute personality of Godhead. All acts performed in this sense of servitude are called pure love of God because they are performed for the absolute sense gratification of Sri Krishna. However, any act performed for the purpose of enjoying its fruits or results is the act of sense gratification. Such actions are visible sometimes in gross and sometimes in subtle forms. कामेर तात्पर्य निज संभोग केवल कृष्ण सुख तात्पर्य मात्र प्रेमता प्रबल कामेर of lust तात्पर्य the intent निज own संभोग enjoyment केवल only Krishna sukha for Lord Krishna's happiness तात्पर्य the intent matra only prema love ta certainly prabal powerful the object of lust is only the enjoyment of one's own senses but love caters to the enjoyment of Lord Krishna and thus it is very powerful. लोकधर्म वेदधर्म देहधर्म कर्म लज्जा धैर्य देह सुख आत्म सुख मर्म दुस् दुस् दुस्त्यज आर्यपथ निज परिजान स्वजने करे यत तादन भर्स्तान सर्व त्याग करी करे कृष्णेर भजन कृष्ण सुख हेतु करे प्रेम सेवान लोक धर्म customs of the people veda dharma vedic injunctions deva dharma necessity of the body karma fruitive work lajja bashfulness dhairya patience deha sukha happiness of the body atma sukha happiness of the self marma the essence Dustyaja, difficult to give up. Aryapath, the path of Varnashram. Nija, own. Parijana, family members. Swajani, one's own family. Karaye, do. Yata, all. Tadana, punishment. Parsana, scolding. Sarva, tyaga, kari, giving up everything. Kari, to. Krishnera, of Lord Krishna. Bhajan, worship. Krishna Sukha, Hetu, for the purpose of Lord Krishna's happiness. Kari, to. Prem, out of love. Sevana, service. Translation: social customs, scriptural injunctions, bodily demands, fruitive actions, shyness, patience, bodily pleasures, sense gratification, and the path of Varnashram Dharma, which is difficult to give up. The gopis have forsaken all these, as well as their own relatives and their punishment and schooling, for the sake of serving Lord Krishna. They render loving service to him for the sake of his enjoyment. इहाँ के कहिए कृष्ण दृढ़ अनुराग स्वच्छ धौता वस्त्रे यैचे नाही कोन दाग इहाँ के this कहिए ऐसे Lord Krishna Krishna in Lord Krishna दृढ़ strong anurag love स्वच्छ pure धौता clean वस्त्रे enclosed यैचे just as nahi not कोन दाग some mark that is called firm attachment to Lord Krishna. It is spotlessly pure, like a clean cloth that has no stain. Purport: the author of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita advises everyone to give up all engagements of sense gratification and, like the gopis, dovetail oneself entirely with the will of Supreme Lord. That is the ultimate instruction of the Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. We should be prepared to do anything and everything to please the Lord, even at the risk of violating the Vedic principles or ethical laws. That is the standard of love of God. Such activities in pure love of Godhead are as spotless as white linen that has been completely washed. Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur warns us in this connection that we should not mistakenly think that the idea of giving up everything implies the renunciation of the duties necessary in relation to the body and mind. Even such duties are not sense gratification if they are undertaken in the spirit of service to Krishna. अतएव काम प्रेम बहुत अंतर काम अंध तम प्रेम निर्मल भास्कर अतएव therefore काम प्रेम in the lust and love बहुत much अंतर space between काम lust अंधतम blind darkness प्रेम love निर्मल pure भास्कर sun therefore lust and love are quite different lust is dense darkness but love is like the bright sun अतएव गोपी गणेर नाही काम गंध कृष्ण सुख लागी मात्र कृष्ण से संबंध अतएव therefore गोपी गणेर of the gopis nahi काम गंध the slightest bit of lust krishna sukha the happiness of Lord Krishna lagi for matra only Krishna Lord Krishna say that sambandh the relationship. Thus, there is not the slightest taint of lust in the gopis' love. Their relationship with Krishna is only for the sake of his enjoyment. यत्ते सुजात चरणामृहुं स्तनेषु पीतः शनैः प्रिय दधिमाहि कर्कशेषु तेनातविम् अटसि तत् व्यथते न किं स्वित् कूर्पादिभिर्भ्रमति आयुषं न यत्ते which they your sujat very fine charanamburuham lotus feet staneshu on the breast beta being afraid shane gently priya odiyavan dadimahi we place karkasheshu rough tena with them atavim the path atasi you roam tat they vyathate are distressed no not comes with we wonder urp adibi by small stones and so on pramati flutters the mind Bhavat Ayusham of those whom your lordship is very life, Nah offers. O dearly beloved, your lotus feet are so soft that we place them gently on our breast, fearing that your feet will be hurt. Our life rests only in you. Our minds, therefore, are filled with anxiety that your tender feet might be wounded by pebbles as you roam about the forest path. Purport. This text is from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.319, was spoken by the gopis when Krishna left them in the midst of Rasa Leela. आत्म सुख दुखी गोपीर नाही क विचार कृष्ण सुख हेतु चेष्टा मानो व्यवहार आत्म सुख दुखी in personal happiness or distress gopir of gopis nahika not vichar consideration krishna sukha hetu for the purpose of lord krishna's happiness cheshta activity mana of the mind vyavahar the business. Translation: the gopis do not care for their own pleasures or pains. All their physical and mental activities are directed toward offering enjoyment to Lord Krishna. कृष्ण लागी यार सब करे परित्याग कृष्ण सुख हेतु करे शुद्ध अनुराग कृष्ण लागी of Lord Krishna are other sub all करे to परित्याग giving up Krishna sukha hetu for the purpose of Lord Krishna's happiness करे do शुद्ध pure anurag attachments. Translation: they renounced everything for Krishna. They have pure attachment to giving Krishna's pleasure. एवं मदर्थोचितलोकवेद स्वानं हि वो मयि अनुवृत्तये बाल अबलाः मया प्रोक्षं भजता तिरोहितं मासूयितुं मार्था मारहथ तत्प्रियं प्रियाः एवं तस् मदर्थ for me ujjita rejected loka popular customs Vedic injunctions swanam own families, he certainly were of you, me, anuvrittayi, to increase regard for, abala, O woman, maya, by me, paroksham, invisible, bhajata, favoring, tirohitam, withdrawn from sight, me, ashuyitum, to be displeased with, arhata, you do not deserve, tat, therefore, priyam, who is dear, priya, O dear ones. O my beloved gopis, you have renounced social customs, scriptural injunctions, and your relatives for my sake. I disappeared behind you only to increase your connection or concentration upon me. Since I disappeared from for your benefit, you should not be displeased with me. Purport. This text from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.32.21 was spoken by Lord Krishna when he returned to the arena of the Ras Leela. कृष्णेर प्रतिज्ञा एक आछे पूर्व हईते ये याइछे भजे कृष्ण तारे भजे ताइछे कृष्णेर of Lord Krishna pratigya promise ek one ache there is purva haite from before ye whoever yaiche just as bhaje he worships Krishna Lord Krishna tare to him bhaje reciprocates taiche just so Lord Krishna has a promise from before to reciprocate to the devotees according to the way they worship him. ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजामि अहम् मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्य पार्थ सर्वशः ये यथा those who as mam to me prapadyante surrender tan them tatha so eva certainly bhajami reward aham I mama my vartama path anuvartante follow manushya men parth o son of Pritha sarvasha in all respects. In whatever way my devotees surrender unto me, I reward them accordingly. Everyone follows my path in all respects, O son of Pritha. Purport. Krishna was never ungrateful to the gopis, for as he declares to Arjuna in this verse from Bhagavad Gita 4.11, he reciprocates with his devotees in the proportion to the transcendental loving service they render unto him. Everyone follows the path that leads towards him, but there are different degrees of of progress on that path. Oh, and the Lord is realized in proportion to one's advancement. The path is one, but the progress in approaching the ultimate goal is different. Therefore, the proportion of realization of this goal, namely the absolute personality of Godhead, is also different. The gopis attained the highest goal, and Lord Chaitanya affirmed that there is no method of worshipping God higher than that followed by the gopis. से प्रतिज्ञा भंग हैल गोपीर भजाने ताहा ते प्रमाण कृष्ण श्रीमुख बचाने. Say pratigya, that pratigya promise bhanga haila was broken. Gopira of the gopis bhajane by the worship tahate in that praman proof Krishna of Lord Krishna Srimukha bhajane by the words from the mouth. Translation: that promise was being broken by the worship of the gopis, as Lord Krishna himself admits. न पारयेऽहं निरवत्य संयुज्यां स साधुकृत्यं विधु विभु विबुधायुषापि वः स्वमा भजन् दुर्जया गेह शृङ्खला संवृश्चय तत्त्वः प्रतीयातु साधुना. No, not paraye, am able to make aham I niravadya samyujam to those who are completely free from deceit. Swasadu krityam, proper compensation. Vibhuda ayusha, with a lifetime as long as that of demigods. Api, although vah, to you, yah, who, my, me, abhajan, have worshipped. Durjaya keha shrinkhala, the chains of household life which are difficult to overcome. Samvrishchaya, cutting, tat, that, va, of you. Pratiyatu, let it be returned. Sadhuna, by the good activity itself. Translation: O gopis, I am not able to repay my debt for your spotless service. Even within the lifetime of Brahma, your connection with me is beyond reproach. You have worshipped me, cutting off all domestic ties which are difficult to break. Therefore, please let your own glorious deeds to be compensation, to be your compensation. This is the verse from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.32.22, was spoken by Sri Krishna himself when he returned to the gopis upon hearing their songs of separation. तब ये देखिए गोपीर निज देह प्रीत से होत कृष्णेर लागी जानी निश्चित. तब now ye whatever देखिए we see gopir of the gopis निज देह for their own bodies preet affection say who that the certainly कृष्णेर लागी for Lord Krishna जानी no निश्चित for certain. Now whatever affection we see the gopis show for their own bodies, know it for certain to be only for the sake of Lord Krishna. Purport: the selfless love of God exhibited by the gopis cannot have any parallel. We should not therefore misunderstand the carefulness of the gopis in their personal decoration. The gopis dressed themselves as beautifully as possible just to make Krishna happy by seeing them. They had no ulterior desires. They dedicated their bodies and everything they possessed to service of Krishna, taking it for granted that their bodies were meant for his enjoyment. They dressed themselves with the understanding that Krishna would be happy by seeing and touching them. एई देह कैलू आमी कृष्ण समर्पण तार धन तार इह संभोग साधन. एई देह, this body कैलू have done आमी I Krishna to Lord Krishna samarpana offering tar him dhana the wealth tar of him iha this sambhoga sadhana brings about the enjoyment. The gopis think, I have offered this body to Lord Krishna, he is its owner, and it brings him enjoyment. एह देह दर्शन स्पर्शे कृष्ण संतोषण एई लागे करे देह मार्जन भूषण. एई देह of this body darshan by sight, sparshe and touch Krishna of Lord Krishna santoshan satisfaction. Ei lagi for this kare they do dehir of the body marjan cleaning bhushan decorating. Krishna finds joy in seeing and touching this body. It is for this reason that they cleanse and decorate their bodies. निजांगम अपि अगोप्यो ममेति समुपासते ताभ्य परम नमे पार्थ निगूढ़ प्रेम भाजनम. Nijangam, own body, yapi, although yah, who gopya the gopis, mama, mine, iti, thinking, samupasati, engage in decorating, tabhya, than them, param, greater, no, not, me, for me, Partha, O Arjuna, Niguda Prema of deep love, Bhajanam, receptacles, O Arjuna, there are no greater receptacles of deep love for me than the gopis, who cleanse and decorate their bodies because they consider them mine. Purport: this verse is spoken by Lord Krishna in the Adi Purana. आर एक अद्भुत गोपी भावेर स्वभाव बुद्धिर गोचर नाही हर प्रभाव. are another one. Adbhuta, wonderful. Gopi Bhavir of the emotion of the gopis, Swabhav, nature, Buddhira of the intelligence, Gochar, an object of perception, Nahi is not, Yahar of which Prabhav, the power. Translation. There is another wonderful feature of the emotion of the gopis. Its power is beyond the comprehension of the intelligence. गोपी गण करे अबे कृष्ण दर्शन सुख वंचना ही सुख हय कोटि गुण गोपी गण the gopis करे too yave when krishna darshan seeing lord krishna sukha vancha desire for happiness nahi there is not sukha the happiness haya there is koti guna 10 million times when the gopis see lord krishna they derive unbounded bliss although they have no desire for such pleasure गोपी का दर्शने कृष्णे रये आनंद हय ताहा हईते कोटि गुण गोपी आस्वादये गोपी का दर्शने in seeing the gopis Krishnera of Lord Krishna ye whatever anand joy hay there is taha haite than that koti guna 10 million times more gopi the gopis aswadaye taste the gopis taste the pleasure 10 million times greater than the pleasure of Lord Krishna derives from seeing them purport. The wonderful characteristics of the gopis are beyond imagination. They have no desire for personal sense gratification. Yet when Krishna is happy by seeing them, that happiness of Krishna makes the gopis 10 a million times more happy than Krishna himself. तास बार नाही निज सुख अनुरोध तथापि बड़ा ये सुख पड़िला विरोध तास बार of all of them nahi not निज sukh for their own happiness अनुरोध entreaty तथापि still badaye increases sukh happiness padila happened virodh contradiction the gopis have no inclination for their own enjoyment and yet their joy increases that is indeed a contradiction ए विरोधेर एकमात्र देखी समाधान गोपिकार सुख कृष्ण सुखे पर्यावसान ए विरोधेर this of the contradiction ek one matra only dekhi I see samadhan solution gopikar of the gopis sukha the happiness krishna sukhe in the happiness of lord krishna paryavasan the conclusion translation for this contradiction I see only one solution the joy of the gopis lie in the joy of their beloved krishna purport. The situation of the gopis is perplexing, for although they did not want personal happiness, it was imposed upon them. The solution to this perplexity is that Sri Krishna's sense of happiness is limited by the happiness of the gopis. Devotees at Vrindavan therefore try to serve the gopis, namely Radharani and her associates. If one gains the favor of the gopis, he easily gains the favor of Krishna because, on the recommendation of gopis, Krishna at once accepts the service of the devotee. Lord Chaitanya therefore wanted to please the gopis instead of Krishna, but his contemporaries misunderstood him. For this reason, Lord Chaitanya renounced the order of household life and became a sannyasi. गोपिका दर्शने कृष्णेर बड़े प्रफुल्लता से माधुर्य बड़े यार नाही कसमता गोपिका दर्शने in seeing the gopis Krishnera of Lord Krishna body increases prafullata the cheerfulness say that madhurya sweetness body increases yar of which nahika there is not samata equality when Lord Krishna sees the gopis his joy increases and his unparalleled sweetness increases also अमर दर्शने कृष्ण पैलहित सुख एई सुखे गोपीर प्रफुल्ल अंगमुख अमर दर्शने in seeing me Krishna Lord Krishna Paila obtained eta so much sukh happiness a this sukhe in happiness gopir of the gopis prafulla full blown angamukh the bodies and faces the gopis think Krishna has obtained so much pleasure by seeing me that that thought increases the fullness and beauty of their faces and bodies गोपी शोभ देखी कृष्णेर शोभ बढ़ेयत कृष्ण शोभ देखी गोपीर शोभ बढ़ेतत गोपी शोभ the beauty of the gopis seeing the beauty of the gopis dekhi seeing krishnera of lord krishna shobha the beauty body increases yat as much as krishna shobha beauty of lord krishna dekhi seeing gopir of the gopis shobha the beauty body increases tat that much the beauty of lord krishna increases at the sight of the beauty of the gopis and the more the gopis see lord krishna's beauty the more their beauty increases एई मत परस्पर पड़े हुडाहुडी परस्पर बाढ़े केह मुख नाही मूडी एई मत this like this परस्पर reciprocal पड़े happens हुडाहुडी jostling परस्पर mutually पड़े increases केह someone मुख face nahi not moody covering. In this way a competition takes place between them in which no one acknowledges defeat. किंतु कृष्णेर सुख हय गोपी रूप गुण तार सुखे सुख वृद्धि हय गोपी गण. Kintu but Krishnera of Lord Krishna's Sukha, the happiness higher is Gopi Guna Rupa Gune in the qualities and beauties of gopis. Tara of him Sukhe in the happiness Sukha Vritti increase of happiness higher there is Gopi Gani in the gopis. Krishna however derives pleasure from the beauty and good qualities of the gopis, and when the gopis see his pleasure the joy of gopis increases. अतएव से सुख कृष्ण सुख पोषे एई हेतु गोपी प्रेमे नाही काम दोषे. अतएव therefore say that sukha happiness krishna sukha the happiness of lord krishna poshe nourishes ei this hetu reason gopi preme in the love of gopis nahi there is not kama doshe the fault of lust. Translation. Therefore we find that the joy of the gopis nourishes the joy of Lord Krishna. For that reason the fault of lust is not present in their love. Purport. By looking at the beautiful gopis, Krishna becomes enlivened. This enlivens the gopis, whose youthful faces and bodies blossom. This competition of increasing beauty between gopis and Krishna, which is without limitations, is so delicate that sometimes mundane moralists mistake these dealings to be purely amorous. But these affairs are not at all mundane, because the gopis' intense desire to satisfy Krishna surcharges the entire scene with pure love of Godhead, with not a spot of sexual indulgence. उपेत्य पथि सुन्दरी तटीभिराभिरभ्यर्चितम् स्मिताङ्कुरकरं वितैर्नतात् उपाङ्गभङ्गीशते स्तनस्तबकसञ्चरन्नयन चाञ्चरीकाञ्चलं व्रजे विजयिनं भजे विपिनदेशतः केशवम्. Upetya, having mounted their places, Pati on the path, Sundari Tativi Abhi, of by the women of Raja, Abhyarchitam, who is worshipped, Smita Ankura, Karambite, intermingled with the with the sprouts of gentle smiles, Natat, dancing, Upang by of glances, Pangishate, with 100 manners, Stanas, Stanas Tabaka, the multitude of breast, Sancharat, wandering about, Nayana, of the 2 eyes, Chancharika, like bees, Anchalam, him whose corners Vraje in Vraja Vijayinam Vijayinam coming Bhaje I worship Vipanadeshatah from the forest Keshavam Lord Keshava. Translation. I worship Lord Keshava coming back from the forest of Vraja. He is worshipped by the gopis who mount the roofs of their places and meet him on the path with 100 manners of dancing glances and gentle smiles. The corner of his eyes wander like large black bees around the gopis' breasts. This statement appears in Keshavashtaka 8 of Stavamala, the compiled by Srila Rupa Goswami. आरैक गोपी प्रेमेर स्वाभाविक चिन्ह ये प्रकारे हय प्रेम काम गंधहीन. Araik, another one, Gopi Premera of the love of gopis, Swabhavik natural chinna symptom, ye which prakare in the way higher is prema the love, kama gandhahina without trace of lust. Translation. There is another natural symptom of the gopis' love that shows it to be without a trace of lust. गोपी प्रेम करे कृष्ण माधुर्य पुष्टि माधुर्य बढ़ाए प्रेम हैया महातुष्टि. Gopi Premi, the love of gopis carried us Krishna Madhurya of the sweetness of Lord Krishna Pushti, nourishment, Madhurya, the sweetness, Badayi, causes to increase Prema, the love, Hanya, being, Mahatushti, greatly pleased. Translation. The love of the gopis nourishes the sweetness of Lord Krishna. That sweetness in turn increases their love for they are greatly satisfied. प्रीति विषय आनंदे तदाश्रयानंद ताह नाही निज सुख वांछार संबंध. प्रीति विषय आनंदे in the joy of object of love tat of that love ashraya ananda the joy of the abode taha nahi that not nij sukha vanchar of the desire of one's own happiness sambandha relationship. Translation. The happiness of the abode of love is in the happiness of the object of love. This is not a relationship of desire for personal sense gratification. निरूपादि प्रेम यहाँ तहाँ ए रीति, प्रीति विषय सुखे आश्रयेर प्रीति, निज प्रेमानंदे कृष्ण सेवानंद बाड़ी, से आनंदेर प्रति भक्तेर हय महाक्रोधे। Nirupadi, without identification, prema, love, yaha, which, taha, that, e, this, riti, style, priti, vishaya, of the object of love, sukhe, in the happiness, ashrayir, of the abode of that love, priti, the pleasure, nija, one's own, prema, of love, anande, by the joy, Krishna, to Lord Krishna, Sevananda, the joy of service, Badhi, is obstructed, say, anandera priti, that towards the joy, bhaktera of the devotee, higher is mahakrodhi, great anger. Translation: whenever there is unselfish love, that is its style. The reservoir of love derives pleasure when the lovable object is pleased. When the pleasure of love interferes with the service of Lord Krishna, the devotee becomes angry towards such ecstasy. Purport: as mentioned above, gopis are predominated lovers, and Sri Krishna is predominator, the beloved. The love of predominated nourishes the love of predominator. The gopis had no desire for selfish enjoyment. Their feeling of happiness was indirect, for it was dependent on the pleasure of Krishna. Causeless love of Godhead is always so. Such pure love is possible only when the predominator is made happy by the happiness of predominator. Such unadulterated love is exemplified when the lover deprecates her happiness if it hinders her from discharging her service. अङ्गस्तम्भारम्भम् उतङ्गयान्तं प्रेमानन्दं दारुकुनाभयन्दात् कांसारतिर्विजाने येन साक्षात् अक्षोदीयानन्तरायो व्यधायि. Anga of the limb, stambharambham, the beginning of stupefaction, utungayantam, which was causing him to reach premanandam, the joy of love, daruka, the Lord's chariot driver, no, not Abhyanandat, welcomed Kamsa Arate, of Lord Krishna, the enemy of Kamsa, Vijani, in fanning with the Chamara fan, Yena, by which Sakshat clearly Akshodiyan, greater Antarai, obstacle, Vyadhayi, has been created. Translation: Sri Daruka did not relish his ecstatic feelings of love, for they caused his limbs to become stunned and thus obstructed his service of fanning Lord Krishna. Purport: this verse is from Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu 3.2.62. Govinda Prekshane Kshepshi, Govinda Prekshane Kshepi, Baspa Pura Abhivarshina, Uchairanandad Anandam Aravinda Vilochana. Govinda, Govinda of Lord Govinda, Prekshana, the seeing, Akshepi, hindering, Baspa Pura, group of tears, Abhivarshinam, which causes to rain, Uchchai, powerfully, Anandat, condemned, Anandam, the bliss, Aravinda Vilochana, the lotus-eyed Radharani, powerfully condemned the ecstatic love that caused a flow of tears that hindered her sight of Govinda. This verse is also from Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu 2.3.54. शुद्ध भक्त कृष्ण प्रेम सेवा वेने स्वसुख अर्थ शालोकादि न करे ग्रहणे. Are Shuddha Bhakta and the pure devotee Krishna Preme, out of love of Lord Krishna, Seva, service, Vene, without, Swasukhartha, for the purpose of one's own happiness, Salukyadi, the five types of liberation, beginning with Salukya, residing the same spiritual planet as the Lord, Nakari, do not do, Grahani, acceptance. Translation: furthermore, pure devotees never forsake the loving service of Lord Krishna to aspire for their own personal pleasure through the five kinds of liberation. Purport: a pure devotee of Krishna who leaves him exclusively will flatly refuse to accept any sort of liberation, beginning from the merging with the pure body of the Lord and extending to other varieties of liberation, such as equality of the form, opulence or abode, and the opulence of living near the Lord. Such as equality of the form, opulence or abode, and the opulence living near the Lord. मद्गुणश्रुतिमात्रेण मयि सर्वगुहाशये मनोगतिरविच्छिन्ना यथा गंगाम्बशो अम्बुधौ. Mud of me, guna, the qualities, Shruti matrena, only by hearing, Mai to me, Sarva guha, in all hearts, Ashayi, who am situated, Mana, Gati, the movement of the mind, Avichinna, unobstructed, Yatha, just as, Ganga Ambasa, of the celestial waters of Ganga, Ambudha, to the ocean, Just as celestial waters of Ganges flow unobstructed into the ocean, so when my devotees simply hear of me, their minds come to me who reside in the hearts of all. लक्षणं भक्तियोगस्य निर्गुणस्य हयोदाहृतम् अहेतुकी अव्यवहिता य भक्ति पुरुषोत्तमे लक्षणं the symptom bhakti yogasya the devotional service nirgunasya beyond the three modes of nature he certainly udahritam is cited ahetuki causeless avyavahita uninterpreted ya which bhakti devotional service purushottame to the supreme personality of godhead. Translation: these are the characteristics of transcendental loving service to Purushottama, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It is causeless and it cannot be obstructed in any way. सालुक्य साष्टि सारूप्य सामीप्यकत्वम् अपि युत दीयमानं न गृह्णाति विना मत्सेवनं जना. Salukya being on the same planet as me, Sarshni having opulence equal to me, Sarupya having the same form as me, Samipya having direct association of me, Ekatvam oneness with me, Api even, Uta or Diyamanam being given, no, not, Grihanati except, Vina without, Matsevanam my service, Jana the devotees. My devotees do not accept Salokya, Sashti, Sarupya, Samipya, and oneness with me, even if I are offered these liberation in presence to serving me. Purport. These three verses from Srimad Bhagavatam 3.29.11 to 13 were spoken by Lord Krishna in the form of Kapila Deva. मत्सेवया प्रतीतं ते सालोक्यादि चातुष्टयं नेच्छन्ति सेवया पूर्ण कुतो अन्यात् कलह विप्लुतम्. Matsevaya of me by service pratitam obtained te day salukyadi liberation beginning salukya chatushyam four kinds of naichanti do not desire sevaya by service purna complete kuta where anyat other things kula viplutam which are lost in time. Translation: my devotees having fulfilled their desires by serving me do not accept the four kinds of salvation that are easily earned by such service. Why then should they accept any pleasures that are lost in the course of time? Purport. This verse from Srimad Bhagavatam 9.4.67 was spoken by the Lord in connection with the characteristics of Maharaj Ambarish. Merging into the existence of Absolute is as temporary as living in the celestial kingdom. Both of them are controlled by time, neither position is permanent. कामगन्धहीन स्वाभाविक गोपी प्रेम निर्मल उज्ज्वल शुद्ध येन दुग्ध हेम. Kamagandhahina without any scent of lust, Swabhavika natural gopi prema the love of the gopis, Nirmala spotless, Ujjwala blazing, Shuddha pure, Yena like, Dagdha hema molten gold. Natural love of the gopis is devoid of any trace of lust. It is faultless, bright and pure like molten gold. कृष्णेर सहाय गुरु बांधव प्रेयसी गोपी कहण प्रिय शिष्य सखी दासी. Krishnero of Lord Krishna Sahaya helpers guru teachers bandhava friends prayasi wives gopika the gopis haina are priya dear shishya students sakhi confidants dasi servants. Translation: the gopis are the helpers teachers friends wives dear disciples confidants and serving maids of the Lord Krishna. सहाय गौरवः शिष्य सहाय गौरवः शिष्य भुजिस्व बन्धव स्त्रिय. सत्यं वदामि ते पार्थ गोप्यः किं मे भवन्ति न. सहायाः helpers guravah teachers shishya students pujishya servants bandhava friends striya wives satyam truthfully vadami I say they unto you Partha O Arjuna gopya the gopis kim what may for me bhavanti are not no. O Partha, I speak to you the truth. The gopis are my helpers, teachers, disciples, servants, friends, and consorts. I do not know what they are not to me. This verse was spoken by Lord Krishna in the Gopi Premamrita. गोपिका जाने न कृष्णेर मानेर वंचित प्रेम सेवा परिपाति इष्ट समिहित. Gopika, the gopis, Janena, no, Krishnera, of Lord Krishna, Manera, of the mind, Vancheta, the desired object, Prema Seva, of service in love, Paripati, perfection, Ishta Samihita, achievement of the desired goal of life. The gopis know Krishna's desire. They know how to render perfect loving service for his enjoyment. They perform their service expertly for the satisfaction of their beloved. मन्माहात्म्यं मत्सपर्यां मच्चार्थां मत् मच्छ्रद्धां मन्मनोगतां जानन्ति गोपिका पार्थ नान्ये जानन्ति तत्त्वतः Matmahatmam, my greatness, Matsaparyam, my service, Matshraddham, respect for me, Matmanagatam, the intention of my mind, Jananti they know Gopika, the gopis, Parth, O Arjuna, no, not, Anye, others, Jananti, no, Tatvata, factually, translation. O Parth, the gopis know my greatness, my loving service, respect for me, and my mentality. Others cannot really know this. Purport. This verse was spoken by Lord Krishna to Arjuna in the Adi Purana. सेई गोपी गण मध्य उत्तम राधिका रूपे गुणे सौभाग्य प्रेमे सर्वाधिका सेई गोपी गण the gopis madhye among uttam the highest radhika Srimati Radharani rupe in beauty gune in qualities saubhagya in good fortune preme in love sarvadhika above all among the gopis Srimati Radhika is the foremost. She surpasses all in beauty, in good qualities, in good fortune, and above all in love. Purport. Among all gopis, Srimati Radharani is the most exalted. She is the most beautiful, the most qualified, and above all, the greatest lover of Krishna. यथा राधा प्रिया विष्णुस्तस्य कुण्डं प्रियं तथा सर्वगोपीषु सेवका विष्णोरत्यन्तवल्लभा यथा just as Radha Srimati Radharani Priya very dear Vishnu to Lord Krishna tasya her kundam bathing place priyam very dear tatha so also sarva gopishu among all the gopis sa she eva certainly eka alone Vishnu of Lord Krishna atyanta vallabha most dear. Just as Radha is dear to Lord Krishna, so her bathing place, Radha Kund, is dear to him. She alone is his most beloved of all the gopis. This verse is from Padma Puran. त्रैलोक्य पृथ्वी धन्य यत्र वृंदावनं पुरी तत्रापि गोपिका पार्थ यत्र राधा अभिधा मम Trailokya in the three words Prithvi the earth Dhanya fortunate yatra where Vrindavanam Vrindavan Puri the town Tatra there api certainly Gopika the gopis Parth O Arjuna yatra where Radha Srimati Radharani Abhidha named Mama my O Parth in all the three planetary systems this earth is especially fortunate, for on earth is the town of Vrindavan, and their gopis are especially glorious because among them is my Srimati Radharani. Purport. This verse, spoken by Lord Krishna to Arjuna, is cited from the Adi Purana. राधा सह क्रीडा रस वृद्धिर कारण आर सब गोपी गण रसोपकारण Radha Saha with Srimati Radharani Krida the pastimes rasa of mellow Vriddhira of the increased Karan the cause Ara the other Saba all Gopigana gopis rasa upakaran accessories of the mellow. Translation. All the gopis help increase the joy of Krishna's pastime with Radharani. The gopis act as the instruments of their mutual enjoyment. Purport. It is said that the gopis are divided into five groups, namely Sakhis, Nitya Sakhis, Prana Sakhis, Priya Sakhis, and Paramapreshta Sakhis. All these fair complexion associates of Srimati Radharani, the queen of Vrindavan Dham, are expert artists in evoking erotic sentiments in Krishna. Paramapreshta Sakhis are 8 in number, and in ecstatic dealing of Krishna and Radha, they side sometimes with Krishna and other times with Radharani, just to create a situation in which it appears that they favor one against the other. That makes the exchange of mellows more palatable. कृष्णेर वल्लभ राधा कृष्ण प्राणधन ताहा वेणु सुख हेतु नाही गोपी गण कृष्णेर वल्लभ of Lord Krishna Vallabha beloved Radha Srimati Radharani Krishna Pranadhan the wealth of life of Lord Krishna taha her Venu without sukha hetu cause of happiness nahi are not gopi gana the gopis. Radha is the beloved consort of Krishna, and she is the wealth of his life. Without her, the gopis cannot give him pleasure. Kamsarir api samsara vasanabaddha shrinkalam radham adhaya hridaye tatyaja vraja sundari. Kamsari, Lord Krishna, the enemy of Kamsa, api, moreover, samsara, or for the presence of enjoyment, raslila, vasana, by the desire, baddha, tied on, shrinkalam, who was like the chains, Radham, Srimati Radharani, adhaya, taking, hridaye, in the heart, tatyaja, left aside, Rajasundari, the other gopis. Lord Krishna, the enemy of Kamsa, left aside the other gopis during the Rasa dance and took Srimati Radharani to his heart for she is the helper of Lord and realizing the essence of his desire. Purport. In this verse, from the Gita Govind 3.1, Jayadev Goswami describes Sri Krishna's leaving the Ras Leela to search for Srimati Radharani. से राधार भाव लैया चैतन्यावतार युग धर्म नाम के प्रेम कैला प्रचार. से राधार, that Srimati of Srimati Radharani bhav, the emotion laya, taking Chaitanya of Lord Chaitanya, avatar, the incarnation, yuga dharma, in the religion of the age, nama prema, the holy name and love of God, it kaila did prachar, preaching. Translation. Lord Chaitanya appeared with the sentiment of Radha. He preached the dharma of this age, chanting of the holy name and pure love of God. सेई भावे निज वांछा करिल पुराण अवतारिर ए वांछा मूल कारण. सेई भावे, that भावे, in the mood, निज वांछा, his own desires, karila, did, puran, fulfilling, avatarir, of the incarnation, a, this, vancha, desire, moola, root, karan, cause. In the mood of Srimati Radharani, he also fulfilled his own desires. This is the principal reason for his appearance. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य गोसाई ब्रजेंद्र कुमार रसमय मूर्ति कृष्ण साक्षात श्रृंगार. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य गोसाई, श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु ब्रजेंद्र कुमार, the child of king of Nand, rasamaya, consisting of mellows, murti, the form, Krishna or Lord Krishna, sakshat, directly, shringar, amorous love. Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya is Krishna Brajendra Kumar, the embodiment of rasa. He is amorous love personified. सेई रस आस्वादिते कैला अवतार अनुसंगे कैला सब रसेर प्रचार. सेई रस, that rasa of mellow, आस्वादिते, to taste, kaila, made, avatar, incarnation, anusange, as a secondary motive, kaila, did, sab, all, rasera, of mellows, prachar, broadcasting. He made his appearance to taste that conjugal mellow and incidentally to broadcast all the rasas. विश्वेश विश्वेशाम अनुर अनुरञ्जनेन जनयन् आनन्दम् इन्दीवर श्रेणी श्यामलकोमलैरुपनयन् अङ्गैरनङ्गोत्सवम् स्वच्छन्दं व्रजसुन्दरीभिरभीतः प्रतियङ्गम् आलिङ्गितः शृङ्गारः सखिमूर्तिमान् इव माधव मुक्तो हरिक्रीडति. Vishvesham, of all the gopis, Anuranjena, by the act of pleasing, Janayan, producing, Anandam, the bliss, Indivara, Shreni, like the row of blue lotuses, Shyamala, bluish black, Kamalai, and soft, Upanayam, bringing, Ange, with his limbs, Ananga Utsavam, the festival of four Cupid, Swachandam, without restriction, Vraja Sundari, by the young woman of Vraja, Abhitaha, on both sides, Pratiyangam, each limb, Alingita, embraced, Shringara, amorous love, Sakhi, O friend, Murtiman, embodied, ever, like, Madhav, in the springtime, Mukta, perplexed, Hari, Lord Hari, Kridati, plays. My dear friends, just see how Sri Krishna is enjoying the season of the spring, with the gopis embracing each of his limbs. He is like amorous love personified with his transcendental pastimes. He enlivens all the gopis and the entire creation with his soft, bluish black arms and legs, which resemble blue lotus flowers. He has created a festival for Cupid. There is also a verse from Gita Govind 1.11. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य गोसाई रसे रसदान अशेषे विशेष कैला रस आस्वादन. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Gosai, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rasera of Melo Sadhana, the residents, Shesha, Vishesha, unlimited varieties of enjoyment, Kaila, did, Rasa, Melo, Aswadana, tasting. Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya is the abode of Rasa. He himself tasted the sweetness of Rasa in endless ways. से द्वारे परवर्तेला कलियुग धर्म चैतन्य दासे चैतन्येर दासे जाने यही सब मर्म. से द्वारे, in that way, Pravartela, he initiated Kali Yuga of the age of Kali, Dharma, the religion, Chaitanya of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Dase, the servant, Jani, knows, A, these, Sab, all, Marma, secrets. Translation. Thus he initiated the dharma of the age of Kali. The devotees of Lord Chaitanya know all these truths. Purport. Lord Chaitanya is Sri Krishna himself, absolute enjoyer of the love of the gopis. He himself assumes the role of the gopis to taste the predominated happiness of the transcendental mellows. He appeared in that mood, but simultaneously He propagated the religious process for this age in the most fascinating way. Only the confidential devotees of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can understand this transcendental secret. अद्वैत आचार्य नित्यानंद श्रीनिवास गदाधर दामोदर मुरारी हरिदास आर्यता चैतन्य कृष्णेर भक्तगण भक्ति भावे शिरे धरि सबार चरण अद्वैत आचार्य नित्यानंद अद्वैताचार्य लॉर्ड नित्यानंद श्रीनिवास पंडित गदाधर पंडित दामोदर दामोदर मुरारी मुरारी गुप्त हरिदास ठाकुर are other yata all chaitanya krishnera of Sri Krishna Chaitanya bhaktagana devotees bhakti bhave with a devotional attitude shere on my head dhari I take sabar of all of them charan the lotus feet. Translation: Advaita Acharya, Lord Nityananda, Srivas Pandit, Gadadhar Pandit, Swarup Damodar, Murari Gupta, Haridas Thakur, and all other devotees of Sri Krishna Chaitanya bowing down with devotion. I hold their lotus feet on my head. Purport: The author of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita teaches us that we must offer our respectful obeisances to all such pure confidential devotees of the Lord Chaitanya if we indeed want to know him in truth. षष्ठश्लोकेर एकहिलाभास मूलश्लोकेर अर्थशून करिये प्रकाश. षष्ठश्लोकेर of the sixth word a kahila has been spoken abhas a hint. Moola of original verse arth meaning shuna please hear. Kariye prakash I am revealing. I have given a hint of the sixth verse. Now please hear as I reveal the meaning of that original verse. श्रीराधाय प्रणय महिमा कीदृशो वा नयेव स्वाद्यो येनाद्भुतमधुरिमा कीदृशो वा मदीयः सौख्यं चास्य मद् अनुभवतः कीदृशं वेति लोभात् तद्भावाद्य समजनि शशिगर्भ सिन्धु हरिन्दु. श्रीराधाय of Srimati Radharani, Pranaya Mahima, the greatness of love, Kidrisha, of what kind, Va or Anaya, by this one Radha, Eva alone, Asvadaya, to be relished, Yena, by that love, Adbhuta Madhurima, the wonderful sweetness, Kidrisha, of what kind, Va or Madhya, of me, Sokhyam, the happiness, Cha, and Asya, her, Mad Anubhavata, from realization of my sweetness, Kidrisham, of what kind, Va or Iti, thus Lobha from the desire, Tat her Bhav Adya, richly endowed with emotions, Samajani took birth, Shashi Garbha, of the womb of Shashi Devi, Sindhu in the ocean, Hari, Lord Krishna, Indu, like the moon. Translation: desiring to understand the glory of Radharani's love, the wonderful qualities in him that she alone relishes through her love, and the happiness she feels when she realizes the sweetness of his love, the Supreme Lord Hari, richly endowed with her emotions, appeared from the womb of Srimati Shashi Devi as the moon appeared from the ocean. ये सब सिद्धांत गुड़ कहिते न युयाय न कहिले के इहर अंत नाही पाए. ये सब सिद्धांत, this all conclusions good very confidential kahite to speak na not युयाय quite fit na not kahile speaking keh अन्योने ihar of it anyone of it ihar of it ant and nahi not pi kids. All these conclusions are unfit to disclose in public, but if they are not disclosed, no one will understand them. अतएव कही किछु करिया निगूढ़ बुझिबे रसिक भक्त ना बुझिबे मूढ़. अतएव therefore कही I speak किछु something करिया squeezing निगूढ़ essence बुझिबे can understand Rasika skilled in relishing transcendental humors, Bhakta devotees, Na not Bujibe will understand Mooda rascals. Translation: Therefore I shall mention them, revealing only their essence, so that loving devotees will understand them, but fools will not. हृदय धरय ये चैतन्य नित्यानंद ये सब सिद्धांते से ही पाई बे आनंद. हृदय in the heart, धरय captures ye anyone who Chaitanya Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nityananda and Lord Nityananda ye sab all these siddhante by transcendental conclusions say that man pai be will get ananda place. Translation: Anyone who has captured Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Lord Nityananda Prabhu in his heart will become blissful by hearing all these transcendental conclusions. ये सब सिद्धांत है आम्रेर पल्लव भक्त गण कोकिलेर सर्वदा वल्लभ. ये सब, these all Siddhanta transcendental confusions higher are Amrera of mango pallava twigs, Bhakta Gana, the devotees, Kokilera, to those who are just like cuckoo birds, Sarvada, always, Vallabha, Vallabha, pleasing. All these confusions are like the newly grown twigs of a mango tree. They are always pleasing to the devotees who, in this way, resemble the cuckoo birds. अभक्त उस उत्स्त्रेर इथे न हय प्रवेश तबे चित्ते हय मोर आनंद विशेष. A bhakt non-devotee utstrera of a camel ithe, in this na not haya is their pravesh entrance. Tabe then chitte in my heart haya there is more of my ananda vishesh special jubilation. The camel like non-devotees who cannot enter into these topics, therefore there is the camel-like non-devotees cannot enter into these topics. Therefore, there is special jubilation in my heart. ये लागी कहिते भय ये से यदि न जाने इहा वाई किब सुख आछे त्रिभुवाने. ये लागी, for the matter of which कहिते भय, afraid to speak, से यदि न जाने, if they do not know, इहा वाई, except this, kiba, what, sukha, happiness, ache, there is, tribhuvani, in the three worlds. For fear of them, I do not wish to speak, but if they do not understand, then what can be happier in all the three worlds? अतएव भक्त गणे करी नमस्कार निसंके कहिय तार हऊ का चमत्कार. निशंके कहिय तारे हऊ का चमत्कार. अतएव therefore भक्त गणे unto the devotees करी I offer नमस्कार. निशंके without any doubt कहिए I say तार of the devotees हऊ का let there be चमत्कार astonishment. Therefore, offering obeisances unto the devotees for their satisfaction, I shall speak without hesitating. कृष्णेर विचार एक आचये अंतरे पूर्णानंद पूर्ण रस रूप कहे मोरे. Krishner of Lord Krishna vichar consideration ek one achaye is antare within the heart. Purnananda complete transcendental bliss. Purna rasa rupa full with transcendental mellows. Kahe more they say unto me. Once Lord Krishna considered within his heart, everyone says that I am complete bliss, full of all rasas. आमहैते आनंदित हय त्रिभुवन आमके आनंद दिवे ऐछे कौन जान. आमहैते आनंदित from me, आनंदित pleased, haya becomes tribhuvan, all the three worlds. Amake unto me, ananda dive will give pleasure, aiche such, कौन जान, that person. What person? All the world derives pleasure from me. Is there anyone who can give me pleasure? आमहिते यार हय शत शत गुण से जन आह्लादिते परे मोरा पारे मोरा मान. Amahite than me yar whose higher there is shata shata guna, hundreds of qualities more. Say jana, that person, ahladite to give pleasure, pare is able, mora my mana to the mind. One who has 100 times more qualities than me could give pleasure to my mind. आमाहिते गुणी बड़ा जगते असंभव एकली राधाते ताह करी अनुभव. आमाहिते than me guni qualified bada greater jagate in the world asambhav there is no possibility. Ekali only radhate in Srimati Radharani taha that kari anubhav I can understand. One more qualified than me is impossible to find in the world, but in Radha alone I can feel the presence of one who can give me pleasure. कोटि कामजिनी रूप यद्यपि अमार अश्वमूर्ध्व माधुर्य शाम्य नहीं यार. मोरे रूपे अप्यायित हय त्रिभुवन राधार दर्शने मोर जुड़ाय नयन. कोटि काम 10 million cupids genie conquering रूप beauty यद्यपि although amar mine. Asamurdhva unequaled and unsurpassed. Madhurya sweetness. Shamya equality. Nahi there is not. Yar of whom more my rupe in beauty apyayita pleased haya becomes Tribhuvana, all three worlds. Radhar of Srimati Radharani, Darshani seeing more my Judaye Nayan satisfied eyes. Although my beauty reveals the beauty of 10 million cupids, although it is unequaled and unsurpassed, and although it gives pleasure to the three worlds, seeing Radharani gives pleasure to my eyes. मोरवंशी गीते आकर्षये त्रिभुवन राधार वचने हरे अमर श्रवण. Mora Vamshi, my Vamshi Gite, by the vibration of the flute, Akarshaya, I attract Tribhuvana, the three birds, Radha Vachani, the words of Srimati Radharani, Hare conquers Amara Shravana, my hearing power, the vibration of my transcendental flute attracts the three words, but my ears are enchanted by the sweet words of Srimati Radharani. यद्यपि अमर गंधे जगत सुगंध मोर चित्त प्राण हरे राधा अंग गंध यद्यपि although amar my gandhi by the fragrance jagat the whole universe sugandh sweet smelling more my chitta pran mind and heart hare attracts radha of Srimati Radha Rani ang bodily gandh flavor although my body lends fragrance to the entire creation the scent of Srimati Radha Rani lamps captivates my mind and heart. यद्यपि अमर रसे जगत सरस राधार अधर रस आमा करे वश यद्यपि although amar of me rase by the taste jagat the whole world saras is palatable radhar of Srimati Radharani adhar ras the taste of the lips ama me kare makes vash submissive although the entire creation is full of different tastes because of me I am charmed by the nectarian taste of the lips of Srimati Radharani. यद्यपि अमर स्पर्श कोटिन्दु शीतल राधिकार स्पर्शे आमे करे सुशीतल यद्यपि although amar my sparsh touch koti indu like millions upon millions of moons sheetal cool radhikar of Srimati Radharani sparshe the touch ama me kare makes sushital very very cool and although my touch is cooler than 10 million moons I am refreshed by the touch of Srimati Radhika. एई मत जग तेरे सुखे आमी हेतु राधिकार रूप गुण अमर जीवा तू एई mata in this way jagateru of the world sukhe in the matter of happiness ami I am hetu cause radhikar of Srimati Radharani rupa guna beauty and attributes amar my jiva tu life and soul thus although I am the source of happiness for the entire world the beauty and attributes of Sri Radhika are my life and soul एई मत अनुभव अमर प्रतीत विचारी देखिया यदि सब विपरीत एई मत in this way अनुभव affectionate feelings amar my pratit understood विचारी by consideration देखिए I see यदि if sab everything viparit contrary in this way my affectionate feelings for Srimati Radharani may be understood but on analysis I find them contradictory राधार दर्शने मोर जुड़ाय नयन अमर दर्शने राधा सुखे अगयान राधार of Srimati Radharani darshane in meeting more my judaya are satisfied nayan eyes amar of me darshane in meeting Radhar Srimati Radharani sukhe in happiness agayan more advanced my eyes are fully satisfied when I look upon Srimati Radharani but by looking upon me she becomes even more advanced in satisfaction परस्पर वेणुगीते हरये चेतान मोर भ्रमेता माले रे करे आलिंगन परस्पर against each other venugite the singing of bamboo haraye attracts chetan consciousness more of me bhrame in mistake tamalere a black tree known as tamal kare she does alingan embracing the flute-like murmur of the bamboos rubbing against one another steals Radharani's consciousness, for she thinks it to be sound of my flute, as she embraces a tamal tree, mistaking it for me. Krishna alingana painu janam safal, Krishna sukhe magna rahe vak vriksha kari kore. Krishna alingana of Lord Krishna, the embrace painu I have gotten, janama safale, my birth is now fulfilled. Krishna sukhe, in a matter of pleasing Krishna, magna immersed, rahe she remains, vriksha the tree, kari taking, kole on the lap. I have gotten the embrace of Sri Krishna, she thinks. So now my life is fulfilled. Thus she remains immersed in pleasing Krishna, taking the tree in her arms. अनुकूलवते अधिपाय मोर गंध उड़िया पड़िते चाहे प्रेम हय अंध अनुकूलवते in the favorable breeze yadi if paya there is more my gandh fragrance udiya flying padite to drop chahi she wants preme in ecstatic love haya becomes andh blind when a favorable breeze carries to her fragrance of my body she is blinded by love and tries to fly into that breeze तंबूल चर्बितय बेकरे आस्वादने आनंद समुद्रे डूबे केचुई नहीं जाने तंबूल पीतल नच्चा with a chewed yave when caritas aswadani tasting आनंद समुद्रे in an ocean of transcendental bliss डूबे drowns केचुई anything not no Johnny knows when she tastes the beetle chewed by me. She merges in an ocean of joy and forgets everything else. अमर संग में राधा पाय ये आनंद शतमुखे बलि तबु न पाई तार अंत अमर संग में my in association Radha or Srimati Radharani Paya gets ye whatever ananda transcendental bliss shatamukhe in the hundreds of mouths bali if I say tabu still not no pi I reach tar its anta limitation even with the hundreds of mouths I could not express the transcendental pleasure she derives from my association. লীলান্তে সুখে ইহা রঙ্গের মাধুরী তাহা দেখি সুখে আমি আপনা পাশারি লীলান্তে at the end of our pastime sukhe in happiness ihar of Srimati Radharani angera of the body madhuri sweetness taha that dekhi seeing sukhe in happiness ami I apana myself pashari forget seeing the luster of our complexion after our pastimes together I forget my own identity in happiness. दोहार से सम ये समरस भरत मुनि जा माने अमर ब्रजिर रस से नाही जाने दोहार of moth ye whatever samarasa equal mellows Bharat Muni the saintly person named Bharat Muni mane accepts Amar my Brajera of Vrindavan rasa mellows seha he nahi not jane knows. The sage Bharata has said that the mellows of lover and beloved are equal, but he does not know the mellows of my Vrindavan. According to expert sexologists like Bharat Muni, the male and female enjoy equally in material sexual pleasure, but in spiritual world, the relationships are different, although this is unknown to mundane experts. अन्येर संग में अमियत सुख पाई तहाँ हिते राधा सुख शत अधिकाई अन्येर others sangha में by meeting ami I yet all sukha happiness pai get taha haite than that radha sukha happiness by association with Radharani shata 100 times adhikai increased the happiness I feel when meeting Radharani is 100 times greater than the happiness I get from meeting others. निर्धूतामृतमाधुरी परिमलः कल्याणी बिम्बाधरो वक्त्रं पङ्कजसौरभं कुहरित अश्लघा श्लाघभीदस्ते गिरः अङ्गं चन्दनशीतालं तनुरियं सौन्दर्यसर्वस्वभाक् त्वम् आसाद्य ममेदम् इन्द्रियकुलं राधे मुहुर्मोदते. Nirdhuta defeats Amrita of nectar, Madhuri the sweetness, Parimala whose flavor, Kalyani the most auspicious one, Bimba Adhara red lips, Vaktram face, Pankaj Saurabham which smells like lotus flower, Kuharita of the sweet sounds made by cuckoos, Shlaga the pride, Vida which defeat, Te your Gira words, Angam limbs, Chandashitalam as cool as sandalwood pulp, Tanu body, Iyam this saundarya of beauty sarvasvabhak which displays and the all in all tvam you asadya tasting mama maya idam this indriya kulam all the senses radhe of Srimati Radharani moh again and again modate becomes pleased. My dear auspicious Radharani, your body is the source of all beauty. Your red lips are softer than the sense of immortal sweetness. Your face bears the aroma of a lotus flower. Your sweet words defeat the vibrations of the cuckoo and your limbs are cooler than the pulp of sandalwood. All my transcendental senses are overwhelmed in ecstatic pleasure by tasting you, who are completely decorated by beautiful qualities. This verse, spoken by Lord Krishna to Radha, is recorded in Leela Madhav, Lalita Madhav 9.9 of Srila Rupa Goswami. रूपेकं सहरस्य लुब्धानयनां स्पर्शे तीहृस्या त्वचां वन्याम् उत्कलित श्रुतिं परिमले संहृत्स्तनाशापुताम् आरज्यद्रसनां किलाधर पूतैन्याञ्चान्मुखाम्बोरुहां दम्भोत्कीर्णमहाधृतिं बहिरपि प्रोद्यात् विकाराकुलाम्. Rupe in the beauty Kamsaharasya of Krishna, the enemy of Kamsa, Lubdha captivated, Nayanam, whose eyes, Sparshe in the touch, Ati Drishyat, very jubilant, Tvacham, whose skin, Vanyam in the vibration words Utkalita, very eager, Shrutim, whose air, Parimali in the fragrance, Samhrishta, stolen by happiness, Nasa Putam, whose nostrils Arajayet, being completely attracted, Rasanam, whose tongue, Kila, what to speak of, Adharapute, to the lips, Nan Chat, bending down, Mukha, whose face, Ambaruham, like the lotus flower, Dambha, by pride, Udgirna, manifesting, Mahadritim, great patience, Bahi, externally, Api, although, Pradyota, Pradyot, manifesting, Vikar, transformations, Akulam, overwhelmed. Her eyes are enchanted by the beauty of Lord Krishna, the enemy of Kamsa. Her body thrills in pleasure at his touch. Her ears are always attracted to his sweet voice. Her nostrils are enchanted by his fragrance, and her tongue hankers for the nectar of his soft lips. She hangs down her lotus-like face, exercising self-control only by pretense, but she cannot help showing the external signs of her spontaneous love for Lord Krishna. Thus Srila Rupa Goswami describes the countenance of Radharani. ताते जानी मोते अचे कोन एक रस अमर मोहिनी राधा तारे करे वश ताते thereupon Jani I can understand mote in me ache there is kona some ek one ras transcendental mellow amar my mohini captivator Radha Srimati Radharani tare kare vash her subdues. Considering this, I can understand that some unknown fellow in me controls the entire existence of my captivator, Srimati Radharani. आमहिते राधा पाय ये जातीय सुख तहाँ आस्वादिते आमी सदाई उन्मुख आमहिते from me Radha Srimati Radharani पाय gets ye whatever jatiya types of sukh happiness aswadite to taste ami I sadai always unmukh very eager. I'm always eager to taste the joy that Radharani derives from me. नाना यत्न करियामि नारी आस्वादिते सेई सुख माधुर्य ग्राणे लोभ बाढ़ चित्ते नाना yatna various attempts kari do ami I nari I'm not able aswadete to taste see that sukha of the happiness madhurya the sweetness grahani by smelling lobha desire body increases chitte in the mind in spite of various efforts I have not been able to taste it but my desire to relish that pleasure increases as I smell its sweetness. रस आस्वादिते आम्ही कैला अवतार प्रेम रस आस्वादेला विविध प्रकार रस आस्वादिते मेलोज आस्वादिते to taste आम्ही I कैला made avatar incarnation प्रेम रस transcendental mellows of love आस्वादेला I tasted विविध प्रकार different varieties of formerly I appeared in the world to taste mellows and I tasted the mellows of pure love in various ways. राग मार्गे भक्त भक्ति करे ये प्रकारे ताहा शिखाईला लीला आचरण द्वारे राग मार्गे on the path of spontaneous love bhakta the devotee bhakti devotional service kare does ye prakare in what way taha that shikhaila I thought leela pastimes acharan dware by means of practical demonstration I taught devotional service that springs from the devotee's spontaneous love by demonstrating it with my pastimes. एई तीन तृष्णा मोर नाहिला पुराण विजातीय भावे नाहि ताह आस्वादन एई तीन तृष्णा these three desires more my nahila were not puran satisfied vijatiya of opposite partner of relationship bhave in ecstasy nahi is not possible tah that aswadan tasting but these three desires of mine were not satisfied for one cannot enjoy them in a contrary position राधिकार भाव कांति अंगीकार वीणा से तीन सुख कभु नाही आस्वादने Radhikar of Srimati Radharani, Bhavakanti, luster of ecstatic love, Angikar, accepting Vene, without, see those, Tina, three, Sukha, happinesses, Kabhu, at any time, Nahi, is not possible, Aswadane, tasting, unless I accept the luster of the ecstatic love of Sri Radhika. These three desires cannot be fulfilled. राधा भाव अंगीकारी धरी तार वर्ण तीन सुख आस्वादिते हब अवतीर्ण Radha Bhav, the moods of Radharani, Angikari, accepting, Dhari, taking, Tarvarna, her bodily complexion, Tina, 3, Sukha, happiness, Aswadite, to taste, Hava, I shall, Avatirna, descend as an incarnation. Translation. Therefore, assuming Radharani's sentiments and bodily complexion, I shall descend to fulfill these three desires. सर्वभावे कैला कृष्ण एता निश्चय हेन कायले ऐला युग अवतार समाय सर्वभावे in all respects Kaila made Krishna Lord Krishna a this ta certainly nischaya decision in a kale at this time Aila came Yuga avatar of the incarnation according to age Samay the time in this way Lord Krishna came to a decision simultaneously the time came for the incarnation of the age सेई काले श्री अद्वैत कारणी करेण आराधन तहार हुंकारे कैला कृष्णे आकर्षण सेई kale at the time Sri Advaita Advaitacharya Karena performs Aradhana worship Tahara of him Hunkare by the tumultuous call Kaila did Krishna to Lord Krishna Akarshan attraction at that time Sri Advaita was earnestly worshipping him Advaita attracted him with his loud calls पिता माता गुरु गण आगे अवतारी राधिकार भाव वर्ण अंगीकार करी नवद्वीपे द्वीपे शशि गर्भ शुद्ध दुग्ध सिंधु तहाँ ते प्रकट हैला कृष्ण पूर्ण इंदु पिता माता पेरेंट्स गुरुगण टीचर्स आगे फर्स्ट अवतारी डिसेंडिंग राधिकार ऑफ श्रीमती राधा रानी भाव वर्ण द लस्टर ऑफ ट्रांसेंडेंटल एक्सटेसी अंगीकार करी एक्सेप्टिंग नवद्वीपे in Navadvip, Shashi Garbha, the womb of Shashi, Shuddha, pure, Dugdha, Sindhu, the ocean of milk, Tahate, in that Prakata manifested, Haila became Krishna, Lord Krishna, Purna, Indu, full moon. First, Lord Krishna made his parents and elders appear. Then Krishna himself, with the sentiments and complexion of Radhika, appeared in Navadvip like the full moon from the womb of Mother Shashi, which is like an ocean of pure milk. एतकरिनु षष्ठश्लोकेर व्याख्यान श्रीरूप गोसाईर पाद पद्म करि ध्यान एतदस करिनु I read षष्ठ श्लोकेर of the sixth verse व्याख्यान explanation श्रीरूप श्रीरूप गोस्वामी गोसाईर of the master पाद पद्मे lotus feet kari doing dhyana meditation meditating on the lotus feet of Sri Rupa Goswami I have thus explained the sixth verse एई दुई श्लोकेर आमी ये करेला अर्थ श्री रूप गोसाईर श्लोक प्रमाण समर्थ एई दुई these two shlokera of the verses ami I whatever karela gave earth the meanings Sri Rupa Gosaira of Sri Rupa Gosai shloka verse pramana evidence samartha competed I can support the explanation of these two verses verses 5 and 6 of the first chapter with a verse by Sri Rupa Goswami अपारं कस्यापि प्रणयिजनवृन्दस्य कुतुकी रसस्तोमं हृत्वा मधुरम् उपभोक्तुं कम् अपि यः रुचं स्वाम् आववाव्रेद्युतिम् इह तदीयं प्रकट्यान् सदेवश्चैतन्याकृतिरतितारां नः कृपायतु अपारं boundless कस्य अपि of someone प्रणयिजनवृन्दस्य of the multitude of lovers kutuki one who is curious Rasastomam, the group of mellows, Ritva, stealing, Madhuram, sweet, Upabhoktam, to enjoy, Kamapi, some, Yaha, who, Rucham, luster, Swam, own, Avavari, covered, Dutim, luster, Iha, here, Tadiyam, related to him, Prakatayan, manifesting, Sa, he, Deva, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Chaitanya, Kriti, having the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Atitaram, greatly, Na, unto us, Kripayatu, may he show his mercy. Translation Lord Krishna desired to taste the limitless nectarian mellows of the love possessed by one of his multitude of loving damsels, Sri Radha. So he has assumed the form of Lord Chaitanya. He has tasted that love while hiding his own dark complexion with a refulgent yellow color. May that Lord Chaitanya confer upon us his grace. Purport This is the third verse of the second Chaitanya Ashtaka of Srila Rupa Goswami's Stavamala. मङ्गलाचरणं कृष्णचैतन्यतत्त्वलक्षणं प्रयोजनं चावतारे श्लोकं शक्यैर्निरूपितं Mangalacharanam, invoking auspiciousness, Krishna Chaitanya of Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Tattva Lakshanam, symptoms of the truth, Prayojanam, necessity, Cha, also, Avatare, in the matter of his incarnation, Shloka verses, Satyai by 6, Nirupitam, ascertained, thus the auspicious invocation, the essential nature of the truth of Lord Chaitanya, and the need for his appearance have been set forth in 6 verses. श्री रूप रघुनाथ पदे यार आश चैतन्य चरितामृत कहे कृष्ण दास श्री रूप गोस्वामी रघुनाथ श्री रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी पदे at the lotus feet यार whose आश expectation चैतन्य चरितामृत the book named चैतन्य चरितामृत कहे describes कृष्ण दास श्री कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी praying at the lotus feet of Sri Rupa and Sri Raghunath, always desiring their mercy. I, Krishnadas, narrate Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita following in their footsteps. Purport. Thus ends the Bhaktivedanta purport of to Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Leela, 4th chapter, describing the confidential reasons for the appearance of Lord Chaitanya. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Shri Prabhupada ki jai, Shri Gurudev ki jai.